Hey, what's going on, guys? Outskirt sent me this sleeping pad for free so I could check it out, try it, let you know what I think about it. So I want to walk you through some of my favorite features about it and then give you my overall opinion about it. So first thing I want to show you is just the pattern of the, I guess the ridges of how it's inflated here. It's really cool. One of the things that I really love about it is you see me in my tent now. This is actually a truck bed tent. So in here I have the truck bed liner, and because of the pattern of this and the way that the air is dispersed evenly, I can actually lay down on this and not feel the hard truck bed liner under me, which I've had other mattress pads that I've used in this, and it was just like really bad. I could feel everything. It was horrible sleep. But on this one, when you lay down on it flat, it just like it's not even like the truck bed liner is not even there. It's like really crazy. So I love that. Really easy to get a good night's sleep on it that way. Other couple of really cool features is, and I didn't realize this until actually just a few minutes ago, is that there's several really cool ways to pump this thing up. So this part right here is actually like a foot or hand pad pump that, so if you don't want to, like, you don't have enough air to blow it up by mouth, or you don't have a pump, you can use this and just step on it over and over, or push it with your hand and it inflates. I have it inflated up pretty good here already, but yeah, that's a really cool thing about it. And then it has kind of the auto seal little anti backflow air valve thing in there to keep it, so when you do pump it up, it doesn't come out. But it also has on the back side here another spot to inflate it, which has two different options. So this one is what I use because I actually got this really cool air pump from Outskirt too that I love, and I use it for other things that I got from them. But this fits in there really good. It just fits perfect, forms a nice seal. So that's what I use to pump it up. But if you don't have one of these, you have something else, you can take that off too, even to deflate it or whatever. So I really love Outskirt supplies. Again, I've gotten other things from them and compared them to other companies. Their products overall, just like amazing quality compared to other things. I really love their brand. I love this sleeping pad. So if you are a camper or backpacker or whatever, they have lots of really cool compact supplies and camping gear like this pad that folds down really small to fit in this bag. I mean, it has like a limited lifetime warranty. So if you have any problems, get in touch with them and they'll take care of you. So, and if you're, doing any type of those outside activities and you need good stuff, I mean, great pad, great company, highly recommend anything they have.